एक एक लड़का है जो परसों अमेरिका जा रहा है और 4 साल पहले मेरे पास आया था कि सर मुझे कोडिंग सिखाओ, और आज अमेरिका में बेस्ट कंपनी में आउटसोर्सिंग का काम करता है। तो शैल पटेल से बात करेंगे। एक माइक मिल जाएगा? यस। तो शैल अहमदाबाद यूनिवर्सिटी में इंजीनियरिंग कर चुके हैं और 12th स्टैंडर्ड में मेरे पास आए थे कि सर मुझे कोडिंग करना है, कैन यू कम शैल? Right? So give a big hand to Shail Patel, right? And now he's a green card holder. He's going to US on Monday, right? Okay. Can you wait here? यहाँ पे रुक जाओ, यहाँ पे रुक जाओ, मैं अभी सिग्नल दूँ तो आप यहाँ पे ला देना. You be ready, right? You be ready. Yeah. Sel, can you speak out something about yourself to parents?
Hello everyone, I am Shail Patel. I am currently pursuing my last year in Ahmedabad University. I started out in 2019 and my goal was fixed for life. I wanted to become a data scientist. For this reason, I joined Royal Technosoft. The first thing you need to know about Royal Technosoft is that it doesn't tell you how to achieve in life or how to progress in life. It teaches you how to live life. So this is a very big thing. It not only helped me in achieving all my academic goals, but also doing something which I never thought I'll be able to do. I actually teach a lot of students in Royal Technosoft as well as out of the country as well. So this was something that Dheeraj sir enabled me to do. I never thought I would be able to do something like this. And apart from this, a major achievement which I got from Royal Technosoft was that in the last semester in every engineering college, you need to do a 6-month internship period under another company. So a lot of students in my batch as well struggle to find companies in Ahmedabad itself, while I currently have already two pending internships offers from a company in USA as well. So this is something I consider to be the biggest achievement of my life right now. And this was all possible because Dheeraj sir helped me to achieve so. It is my time now to pay back what Royal has given me. So I'd like to thank Dheeraj sir as well as all the faculties
जी,
who have.
सबसे बड़ी बात शैल की क्या थी, आप लोग भी सुनो। एक छोटा बच्चा है जो सी सीखता है, फिर लोगों को सी सिखाता है। वैसे शैल ने 12th स्टैंडर्ड के बाद कोडिंग सीखा फर्स्ट सेम में, तुरंत सेकंड सेम में दूसरों को सिखाना चालू किया। सेकंड सेम में वो डेटा साइंटिस्ट बन गया, थर्ड सेम में अमेरिका पढ़ाना चालू किया। अमेरिका के किड्स उसके अंडर पढ़ते हैं, राइट? यूएस के किड्स यहां बैठ के कोरोना के टाइम पे जब लोग घर पे सिर्फ महाभारत और रामायण देख रहे थे, शैल साथ में रामायण के साथ लोगों को पढ़ाता भी था। तो ये हो सकता है अगर हम राइट टाइम पे और राइट प्लेस पे हो तो। शैल के लिए तालियां हो जाए पहले, राइट? आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट संजय भाई टू कम ऑन द स्टेज टू गिव अ स्मॉल मोमेंट टू शैल। और शैल, सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या रहा जब आप कोई सक्सेस लेने गए तो? कैन यू स्विच ऑन द माइक? या
So, like I was a very introverted student. I didn't speak much, but the main thing is that when you are given a responsibility to teach a student, you need to be enhanced with their skill as well. It can't be that you are teaching a student and you yourself don't know what is supposed to be taught. So that is the main thing which I felt difficult in. I myself needed to be so thorough in the topic which I was conducting that any question that the student asked me, I would be able to answer them flawlessly. So that is a major obstruction which a teacher faces, which I realized only after I started teaching students. So that was the thing that Dheeraj sir enabled me to do. So
your mom is here?
No, sir.
Okay, so give a big hand to Shell Patel. Everyone, please come, Shell. Sir. Yeah. Just view it for you. Yeah. So we wish him all the best कि अमेरिका में बेस्ट कंपनी बनाकर इंडिया में फंड लेके आए और इंडियन लोगों को मदद करे। Yes or no? Congratulations, Congratulations to you. Blessings.